It goes back a very long way. We come from development that originated in the old days of Landis&Gyr. Last year, we celebrated our 25th anniversary. We've done a lot of work with these technologies. In the early 90s, we got to know the first versions of the PG3 and FuPla and decided very early on that we should follow that route. Communications technology already had an important role at that time. Then, with the energy services we started offering in the mid-90s, the whole area of modem communication, remote communication, telemaintenance and remote monitoring became very important for us. Those were the initial components that drew us much closer to the product. Not just for us at ITW, but also because as an alliance of SME companies, we offer energy services from SMEs to supply heat, cooling and electricity. Energy efficiency and sustainability play an important role here, of course, and automation is naturally associated with that. We operate these installations with full responsibility. The technology is therefore very important to us, as are the longevity of a product and its adaptability when changes are made to installations, and also overall communications capabilities. There are two things. On the one hand, returning to energy services once again, wherever we build installations for ourselves, we find the question of sustainability to be essential. Sustainability makes itself felt financially in our own pockets. We are fully responsible for operating installations over a period of 15 to 20 years, with maintenance and everything else associated with that. Peace of mind is therefore obviously our key to having an economically efficient solution that lasts a long time. As far as installations for customers are concerned, where we create perfectly normal installations in buildings and sell these installations, we generally have customer contact where the subject of quality and long-term durability matters. More than anything else, our key clients also value the philosophy that lies behind the product. They represent a range of customers who tell us they have come to know and rely on the product. When other properties are being updated, this subject always becomes important. The web IT technology. No counter installation leaves us without having web visualization included, which means these communications techniques are used. Next to the primary energy services in normal standard business, where we implement building automation in commercial premises, schools, etc., these are the functions that customers ask for. When the builder or client then sees these web visuals for the first time, we always experience what we call an aha moment, because the developer has not thought about it yet. Aha, that looks really good. And look at all the stuff you can do with it. These functions come as a welcome addition, which also, of course, helps us with system implementation and business development. This week we were with a client who wanted to update an old installation. We'd brought our briefcase with the web application, and as soon as he saw it on the web panel he said, "That's great guys, just what I was looking for." He'd recognized what he wanted. These are components that really help us. Right from the beginning, we've always worked very comfortably together. We had the head office and our contact partners first in Dreieich and now in Neu-Isenburg. And we always had very good cooperation with the company's field representatives who were responsible for us in southern Germany. We can rely on each other. We have support, even when there are problems. We're very comfortable together, and have developed and made progress together. In our stock of installations, we do also have other companies' products that we deal with too. There we have not become accustomed to the same very open, cooperative style of collaboration. That is something we enjoy with Saia, obviously.
Kooperative Miteinander in der Weise bei weitem nicht gewohnt, also das genießen wir hier schon ganz klar.